Hi everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So it has been quite some time that I made a video on Bikaji Foods, which is one of the cleanest and profit making FMCG business out there. The reason I like this stock is that first of all its fundamentals are strong, it has strong shareholding pattern, and also it is giving good growth across all these years. But when the entire sector is down, then obviously this stock is not going to give you good return. So that is what has happened with Bikaji Foods International, and in today's video we are going to see the update. We'll see the fundamentals, the profit and loss statement, what is the update there, and also we'll check the price action and see where this stock is heading and where it could be going in coming weeks or months. So this video is going to be very important. Just make sure to understand that this is not a stock recommendation video, this is just an educational video to help you make better trading and investment decision, right? So with that said, let me take you to the screen. All right, this is Bikaji Foods International, and we'll quickly just read the about section and then go to the profit and loss statement. So Bikaji Foods International is one of India's largest fast moving consumer goods FMCG, and the company's product range includes 6 principal categories: bhujia, namkeen, packaged sweets, papad, western snacks, as well as other snacks which primarily include gift packs, frozen food, mathura range, and cookies. These are the basic things that it sells. Now coming to the profit and loss statement, when we take a look at the last 3 years, then we can clearly see that since March 2024 to 2025 we are witnessing growth in sales: 2329 crore to 2622 crore, then again 2884 crore in trailing 12 months. This is good growth. Operating profit 392 to 330. The reason behind this drop despite the increase in sales is the operating profit margin drop here, 17% to 13%, but thankfully it recovered and it has become 14% in the trailing 12 months. So this is the scenario, and in the earning per share section also we are getting to see the same thing: 10.61 to 8.01, then 9.83. Now when we go to the shareholding pattern, we are seeing that in the last 2 quarters the promoters have slightly decreased their stake, 73.92 to 73.88, and FIs have also decreased their stake, 4.92 to 4.68, small decrease, but the DIs have increased their stake, 16.62 to 17.28. As a result, the public stake has gone down, which is a good thing. The smart money has increased their stake. So overall, if you see, 74% almost is held by the promoters, then FI is holding almost 5%, that means 79, then 17% is held by DIs. So that's a very strong holding, I would say, for an FMCG company. Now let's go to the interesting part, that is the price action. When we see Bikaji Foods International's price action, we can see that after getting listed in November 2022, it has gone up to a high of close to 1000. Now if I use the fifth retracement and draw a fifth retracement level from there to this level, then we can clearly see that the stock is actually trying to make the 50% retracement, that is 656, as its support. The reason we took this one as high and this one as low instead of this one high and this one low is because we are getting to see a long term correction. It has been months since the stock has been falling, so when we go to the monthly chart we can see that. So that deserves a long term perspective as well. So now when I have come to monthly chart, we can clearly see the clear view, where it is heading. Currently it is trying to use this 656 as the support, but it has not been successful yet. So I believe the price to go up maybe with this, like this, then come back again, and then if it is successful in making this level as its support and then bounces off from here, then that will be the trigger for entry. That will be the ideal time from entry, and this long term correction is actually a good thing. Once that is over, definitely the stock which have good fundamentals will perform. And another reason behind the fall of the stock is the entire sector, as I mentioned earlier, FMCG. So when we go to the FMCG sector, we can see there is a clear drop, from this is September, October 2024, September 2024. From there if we measure, it has dropped by almost 31%. So that's a very big drop. Now if we go back to Bikaji again, then let's see how much this stock has dropped maximum. It has dropped by 43%. Okay, that is expected because this is an individual stock, but then it recovered sharply. Okay, went up by 43% in almost half an year, then again came back. Now I believe this swing, up and down swing, is going to continue, okay, for few more months, and once it jumps from this level, that will be the proper place where you should start focusing on the stock. Now you can just keep it in your watch list, and this is a quality stocks with good fundamentals, quality FMCG stock with good fundamentals. So I hope I made the points clear. We need this 650 level as the support. Okay, it is not enough for the stock to cross the level because it has already crossed. The current price is 691. We want to see this as the support, okay, so that it does not go below the approximately below that level. Okay, that is what we want to see. So I hope I made the points clear and the video was informative to you. If it was, please hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Impulse, share this video with other people. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.